If you prefer a data-based buying guide, then you are in the right place. Welcome to our channel. We are techies, not salesmen. No flashy words or biased opinions. We made this list based on the big data collected from customers, manufacturers, as well as our data providers. Thanks to our exclusive unsupervised learning AI system, analyzing and comparing all these products couldn't be more accurate or efficient. We list the best buy products and their competitive advantages. This list includes options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and the updated prices on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below and feel free to subscribe. Okay, now let's start our list.
Introducing the CRAFTSMAN 3.0 amp Random Orbit Sander. This compact sander features a low-profile design for added control and is ideal for surface preparation, smoothing seams, and removing paint or varnish. Use the included dust bag or connect to a 1 1/4-inch vac hose for high-performance dust collection. It also features a dust-sealed switch, which provides durability. This sander can also be stored easily away between uses. Get your job done the easy way with the CRAFTSMAN 3.0 amp Random Orbit Sander. CRAFTSMAN. We build pride.
This is the Bosch ROS 20VS 5-inch palm random orbit sander. Finish carpenters, cabinet makers, woodworkers, and others find that this sander gives them the precise results they desire. An optimal combination of pad orbit and rotation delivers fast removal and a well-blended, ultra-smooth finish. Stay comfortable during extended use with the soft grip top and body design, which lets you have multiple grip options. With low vibration and a smooth run, fatigue and discomfort are a thing of the past. Variable speeds ranging from between 7,500 and 12,000 orbits per minute let you dial up or down depending on the sanding task at hand. Featuring Bosch's hook-tight hook and loop disc attachment, this has over 35,000 long life hooks to ensure a firm grip of the disc during use. This sander holds standard 8-hole, 5-inch hook and loop discs. The soft microcellular backing pad is pliable, so you get a smooth, fine finish on both flat and contoured surfaces. An integral pad dampening brake system also helps prevent swirl marks. The included microfilter dust canister with integrated paper filter provides optimal fine dust filtration. Able to trap particles down to a half a micron in diameter, this keeps your workplace clean and helps protect you from harmful dust. This sander is also compatible with standard 1 1/4 inch and 1 1/2 inch vacuum hoses or any Bosch vacuum hose and most European hose sizes. So this is it, the Bosch ROS 20 VS 5-inch palm random orbit sander. Perfect for any professional. For more information on this tool, reference this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch woodworking tools.